How to use YouTube Premiere feature step by step. To use the YouTube's Premiere feature, first of all, you have to upload your video. So go ahead and then launch the YouTube Studio application on your desktop web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. And if you are on mobile device just like me, you simply have to go to the official website and then enable the desktop side by tapping on the three dotted menu icon from your browser on the top right corner. And now once you're here within the official website, you simply have to go ahead and then choose your pre-recorded video file from your computer and wait for it to begin processing. Once you're done, you simply have to input your details and elements. Now, navigate to the final labeled tab, Visibility. Now from there, select the scheduled option and choose the specific calendar date and time. Now check the box labeled as Set as Premiere. Then, now you simply have to customize your Premiere theme and countdown. Once you're done, you simply have to go ahead and tap Save. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.